few types that I'll break them down into for you are petroleum-based roofing, metal roofing, thermoplastic roofing, and some other types mainly called designer roofing. For petroleum-based roofing, one of the first ones I want to talk about is asphalt shingles. You'll see it at churches for sure with the steeples and whatnot. You'll also see it at commercial buildings, multifamily construction projects. You'll also see them at hotels and condos and associations like that. It enhances the color, brings out some shape and some different characteristics of it. Built-up is not as common as it used to be, but built-up is asphalt laid into several layers of felt. And depending on how thick that layer is, it creates a longer lasting, more durable roof. Modified bitumen, either a hot or a cold application, is another product. They'll take an adhesive and put the adhesive on the back and then roll it out. That eliminates the need for all the heat in an open torch on a building, which honestly is probably the biggest risk of that product. The final product on petroleum-based is EPDM. EPDM is a single-ply roofing, often called rubber roofing. Its design is to encompass a large area very quickly. It's put down either using adhesion, full adhesion, or sometimes they put rocks over the top of it. Either application is okay. It depends on the building as to how it is used. We'll talk about a few different types of metal roofing. There's steel, there's aluminum, copper, and still some zinc being used today. When you drive past a steel roof that's done like a shingle roof, it pops a little bit and people are pretty excited. Let's not take away from the traditional styles of metal roofing though too, like standing seam or corrugated. You've seen a lot of those things with the barn look or having that standing seam or little ridge on the top of the roof. The last thing that you talk about with steel and metal roofing is really that traditional slate look or a wood shake look. Thicker look, really a unique style of roofing, and it can be accomplished using metal and aluminum products, steel products. It's unbelievable the advancement in the industry. So look for those. You'll see a real difference in how those traditional looking roof systems can be done now with a new product. TPO stands for thermoplastic olefin. Its design is predominantly for large, flat, wide open spaces. Its unique characteristics are white in color, so it reflects the sun's UV rays, which creates a little bit longer lasting surface. It's also heat welded or fused together so that the seams themselves hold up over time. PVC is another type of roofing, very similar but a different chemical formulation, polyvinyl chlorine. The chemical formulation of PVC allows the application to be done in certain areas where they might have larger grease and things like that. So you'll notice that more at restaurants and places that maybe have a little bit of debris going up on the roof. You'll see the PVC is on there. Other types of roofing, kind of categorize all these together, maybe more designer types of roofing. You'll see some plastic shingles out there. You'll see the traditional slate shingle out there. Wood shake or wood shingles is another area that's widely used when you want that cosmetic look. Very rare is concrete shingles, even concrete tiles. Those are very rare, especially in the Midwest area. Clay tile is something else that kind of falls into that category. Certainly not made from concrete, but made from clay. Feel free to join us at our Learning Center to learn a little bit more about what it is that might be best for your commercial building.